That works like a clapper, right?
You're talking to me?
Uh-huh.
Sure.
Okay. So, welcome to a special edition of Jeff Plays With Stuff. Today, first of all, I have to acknowledge our sponsors. Today's video is sponsored by Sweater Weather Paper Pack, available on Amazon. You can see all the different patterns, how cute they are. I just can't wait to craft with them. I'm gonna make so many crafts. And then our next sponsor is Fall Days Paper Pack, also available on our Amazon store. Fall Days also has so many cute patterns. There's black crows, scarecrows, pumpkins, cute polka dots, stripes. So there's so many things I could do with these. And last but not least, this has been one of our most popular page kits, or not page kits, holy cow, like 8 years ago. This has been one of our most popular paper packs, Autumn. This is actually one of the first paper packs Kate designed, and it has been one of the most popular consistently all year round. So make sure you get Autumn because they don't sell out.
Oh my gosh, you're embarrassing me.
I'm embarrassing you. Kate's sitting over, I'm making her design while I'm doing this. Okay, so here's cool foxes, sunflowers, acorns, maple leaves. So, yeah. All of our fall paper packs are available on Amazon, and I will put links in the description below. Okay. What I wanted to do actually is, I have this easel. It's called an easel, right? Yeah. Okay. So that one's going to sit up there so you can watch it this whole time and see how cool it is. These two, I will... We need to get moving. Okay. So, today's Jeff Plays With Stuff is an unboxing. I was watching Ken's video on Ken's Kreations. He was talking about all of his mystery boxes, and I went and looked, and I got really excited because something that I've been looking at and wanting to figure out and play with for a long time, he actually had, but his mystery boxes didn't say what was in them. It just said there's a lot, and it is pretty heavy. I mean, so the nice thing about Ken's mystery box is it included everything. So I didn't have to like go buy this and all the accessories. It came with it. So on to the mystery box. Plus, he told me that he threw in some extra special things in here. So this is the first time I have opened this. Oh boy. So I wanted a mint. I've seen the mints at the Silhouette Summit and I've seen them online, but I just never got around to finding one. And Ken had his Silhouette mint with every single ink and all these stamps for a very reasonable price. This must be the mint itself. Yeah, it looks pretty much brand new. So the inks, look, it's a mint. Do you want to come play with it? You got a design. So, and then there's other stuff in here that I'm holding back on. Okay, said it included, oh, here's all the ink. It included all of the ink and all of the sizes of stamps. Okay. Then, let's look at this really quick. I need to make sure it includes teal, because it has teal and blue. There's 2 blues. It looks like there's multiple of every color. Because I have I think it's a fun idea. I don't know if anyone else will. And then it came with 30 by 60. 15 by 60, I think this is the one that I needed for my idea. So it came with everything. Cool. We'll do that in a minute. But I wanted to... I've also been talking to Ken about, do we all know what his passion is anymore? Because I do. He basically loves this. He hooked me up with some Chalk Couture stuff. So I have some paste. This is marigold, kiwi, white. It's a red and there's a blue sticker over it. Candy apple paste. It looks like some board erasers. Oh, that's to clean those boards. He said he was going to send me some screens. Because I don't know about you guys, but I am dying to like make a Jeff Plays With stuff and try Chalk Couture stuff, because I have no idea. I've only ever watched Ken do it. I've never even watched anyone else do it. But I think he's a pretty good teacher. Oh, the reflection. Okay. Wicked. And then cheers, celebrate, and party. Eek boo angle. Eek boo spooky. I can do things. I can do hard things. Maybe he sent that for encouragement. I can do hard things. Can I do hard things? Sometimes. With a lot of mistakes. OMG, my mother was right about everything. I don't know about that, but she doesn't watch this channel. I'm never too old to party and celebrate. Something. Scarlet. All the dogs are in here with us. Kate's in here.
I'm in my Minnie Mouse pajamas, so I can't come on video.
They heard you, I think. She's in her Minnie Mouse pajamas because it's actually like late. It's almost 9. So anyway.
On a Saturday night.
On a Saturday night. That's when we work. Okay, so I am really excited about the Chalk Couture stuff actually. I've been talking to Ken about it a lot, and just kind of a heads up, I may or may not have signed up to be a Chalk Couture artist. Apparently they'll accept anybody because they let me sign up. So I'm excited to start to learn a lot about Chalk Couture, and hopefully we can learn about it together. So I have that stuff to play with first. So anyway, that's my unboxing of what I got in Ken's mystery box. For what I paid for it, I actually probably paid about 1/4 of the value of all this stuff. So that's awesome. Anyway, the next Jeff Plays With Stuff video will be about Let's Play With the Silhouette Mint. Thanks for watching this unboxing video, and I will catch you in the next Miss Kate Cuttables video.